Upbeat, energetic music starts and fades into the background. Hello, traders, and welcome to your weekly market pulse. Today, we're zoning in on one of the most volatile pairs out there, the British pound versus the Japanese yen, or GBPJPY. After a strong run-up, the big question is, where does it go from here? Is a major breakout on the horizon, or is the rally running out of steam? Let's dive into the charts and find out. Looking at the recent market conversation, there's a real tug-of-war happening. On one side, we have traders celebrating successful buying opportunities, pointing to the pair's recent strength. On the other side, a growing number of analysts are starting to see signs of a potential sell-off, suggesting the top might be in for now. This division creates a very interesting and tense environment. Let's break down the price action. The pound-yen has had a powerful bullish run, climbing aggressively and pushing towards the significant 200 psychological level, peaking just under 199.9. However, that momentum has hit a pause. Right now, the price is consolidating, and we can see a clear battleground forming. The immediate resistance to watch is that recent high, right around 199.9. A decisive break above this level could signal that the bulls are back in control and ready to push for new highs. On the flip side, we have some critical support levels. The price is currently testing the 198.71 area. Below that, there's another important floor around 198.25, a level that has repeatedly acted as a springboard for the price. This zone between 198.25 and 198.71 is the key support to watch. A failure to hold here could open the door for sellers to take over. So, what are the key takeaways for GBPJPY? First, the overall market sentiment is mixed, suggesting uncertainty and potential volatility ahead. Second, while the long-term trend has been bullish, the immediate momentum has stalled, putting the pair at a critical decision point. And third, the key levels are clearly defined. Keep a close eye on the support zone between 198.25 and 198.71 and the resistance at 199.9. In conclusion, the pound-yen is perfectly coiled for its next big move. The direction will likely be determined by which side wins the battle at these key levels. As always, trade smart, manage your risk, and wait for confirmation before jumping in. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.